In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit. Tap on connection and sharing and choose printing. After that, you can click on default print service right away and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on this blue sweater next to use print service and tap on the back button. After that, click on Add Service instead and install the best one for your printer, in my case HP one. When your app is ready, go into the same printing settings. Then just tap on your brand new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!